Being one of the largest ISPs in the country puts us in a unique position where we can deliver our own fibre connectivity on the Virgin Media network and then distribute this across the development using the Ruckus managed Wi-Fi network systems.
Holly is a dynamic property management company. We launched in 2021. We lease and manage over 1,100 units in our Cherrywood development, and to date we have welcomed over 1,700 residents to our community. Our amenities are unparalleled. Our residents have access to up to 2,000 square metres of amenity spaces, be it our Sky Gym, our co-working spaces, our clubhouses. We have everything on site for residents to enjoy.
The Harcourt building, comprising of 228 units, is the latest building to be added to the Holly portfolio. On top of the amenity spaces, our residents can avail of our enterprise level Wi-Fi supplied by Virgin Media and Ruckus.
We in Virgin Media initially started speaking with Holly over 5 years ago at the design stage of their new town centre in Cherrywood. The original request from Holly was for Wi-Fi access for all residents across apartment units, the communal areas, the amenity spaces, and that even extended to the basement car parks and the rooftop terraces. Holly also had a requirement for wired access for some residents, and we achieved this through installing a H-series Wi-Fi access point into each apartment unit with a usable Ethernet port. We needed to ensure that there was sufficient bandwidth for all end users without any connectivity issues to deliver best-in-class service. This was achieved through installing a 4 gig dedicated fibre connection backbone onto the Virgin Media network in each phase of the development. A priority for Holly was to ensure that service was installed and up and running for residents as they moved in. By tapping into the wider Virgin Media Ireland team, we can deploy crews of highly skilled engineers to install service in a timely manner. Holly also wanted to leverage the existing Wi-Fi network to support their own internal systems. This included their BMS systems, their CCTV, their EV charging points, and the door access control systems. Holly required a secure network for all residents. We achieved this through leveraging the Ruckus DPSK feature. This provides residents with their own private network, which they can access across the entire development and ring-fences all of their devices onto their own private network.
Virgin and Ruckus has met our expectations. Our residents are extremely happy with the service. They have their own unique Wi-Fi network and they're able to stay on that network anywhere within the development, so it's a seamless transition. The aftercare service from Virgin and Ruckus has been excellent. Any issues that have occurred, Virgin Media have resolved these in a timely manner with minimal disruptions to our residents.
Holly were adamant that they wanted to provide a high-class, connected living experience for their residents, and I'm happy to say that we were able to work with them and Ruckus to achieve this.